So after a 2 hours, feel like a 3-hour drive, finally reach. I'm going to park right here, so and then take a shuttle service to go to my final destination. Oh, sun are wicked. Get the bird them one. So what's the plan? It's a minute from go. So I'm pool over there, so but that's a baby thing. At the river more go. So guys, this is the fall. View nice. The atmosphere nice. Smell river-ish. Everybody out. Focus this. Yes. Checking out the place, the scenery. So we can just grab a table. Probably try the zipline. But I need to find somewhere where that is very deep, that I can swim, but I don't really see anybody swimming. Need to try to find somewhere where we can just put on the stuff then. But where? Someone try the zipline, but boy, the way how fast them people are go. I don't know if I'm going to try that out, because the speed of which them are go on a zipline is pretty fast. Pretty fast. So let's try to find somewhere for camp out for a bit. I'm gonna go all the way back down to where the bus let we are, because they have a locker system and we never know. Never know about the locker system. So now we have to walk all the way down. That's a good walk. So I've gone on my GoPro because I realized I can't really walk with the camera stick things them. I do all them type of stuff here, but I try to enjoy the place there. But I'll swim trunks, but feels like a tight. Dog, this feel like a tight. It feel like a swim tight. Yeah, but it don't feel like me, I swear. Up again at this place. Alright, so I'm going to find a deep end and test this place out. Let me see how this water feels, right? Alright, so I'm by the pool area. Alright, that one. So I have my boy Ian right here trying to figure out how to swim in the I
try to take a picture of me swimming, but I can't swim.
They say nobody can cross it. I'm not trying to learn how to swim. So I say I want to do the what is some name when they the zipline business. So let me see how that goes. Zipline time. In a second. Chop. Local price. Gonna come like a police straight me up. Whoop. Look at the sky. Imagine come here when it rain. That would be a sad thing. Leave all the way from Kingston and come here and it rain. That's crazy. Well, guys, I guess that's it for me today. Today was extraordinary. First time ziplining. It's a vibe, you know. It's a vibe. It gives some a little bit more light. All right. First time, is this in focus? Yes. First time ziplining is a vibe. No time to take this long drive home. So I'll see you again in the next one. Peace.